Hello, children. Hi, this is Dinesh Khanna. Today, discuss about nucleus. After listening my lesson, share your friends and comment. Subscribe my channel and like and support me. Thank you. See in this picture. Have you seen this picture? What is this? Anybody name please? This is the nucleus. What is this? This is the nucleus. It was named by Robert Brown. Robert Brown. Which year? In the 1831. Okay. Actually, Robert Brown had no idea about its function. This is one of the most important organelles of the cell. So, this is also known as the cell's control room or control room of the cell. The nucleus, also known as control room of the cell. So, the nucleus is the largest and the most distinct of cell organelles. Okay. Sladen, who was one of the proponent of cell theory, okay, idea about cell theory. Two scientists, Sladen and Sean, both are proposed combinedly, thought that new cells were created from the nucleus, and he called it was cytoblast. Cytoblast, the name given by Sladen. Okay, the nucleus as a cytoblast called by Sheldon. Okay, children, you can see and observe the nucleus in this structure. This is the nucleus. Okay, the nucleus regulate and control all the function of cell and determine the characteristics of organism. Okay, children, the nucleus only regulate and control all the function. Why? Because we are called control room of the cell. It consists of all genetic information in this only. You can see, children, genetic information, already. This is the DNA nucleus. This is the DNA and nucleus karyosome, it's called. The nucleus is also closely involved in the process of cell division. Okay, children, the membrane that encloses the nucleus and separates it from contents of cytoplasm is known as the nuclear membrane. Okay, children, the cell wall around by cell. So here nucleus around by nucleus membrane. Okay, children, this is the nucleus membrane. Cell wall, nucleus membrane. This is very similar to the cell membrane. Both are very closely. You can see and observe the cell wall. Almost the entire genetic material of the cell is found in the nucleus. Okay, almost all maximum of the genetic material presents in nucleus. Okay, on the basis of the presence of absence of the organized nucleus, cells are categorized into two types. Okay, children, how many types? Divided into two types on the basis of presence or absence of the organized nucleus. Okay, children, here see what are they. First one, prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell means without organized nucleus, and eukaryotic cell means with organized nucleus. Okay, children. Okay, the cells that do not have a membrane do not have a membrane or bound nuclear material are called prokaryotic cell. Example, bacteria. Okay. If the cells that have membrane bound nuclear material are called eukaryotic cells. Example, all plants and animals. This is the nucleus membrane. This is the nucleus membrane. And genetic material. Nucleoplasm, yellow structure, yellow part is the nucleoplasm, and this is the nuclear membrane, and this is the nucleus or nucleus. Some pores there. This is the nuclear pores. Okay, this structure observed by the electron microscope. Okay, once again, children, you can see and observe the nucleus. um, you can see very clearly observing this, discovered by the Robert Brown in which year? 1831. Yes, very good, 1831. But Sladen was given one name, cytoblast. Cytoblast given by or coined by Sladen to the nucleus. On the basis of nuclear membrane absent or present, the cells are divided into two types. One is prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Okay, nucleus also known as the control unit of cell. Okay, children, thank you for watching my video. Thank you.